Cop and the cabbie killed in Central Village.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The police high command is expressing sincere condolences to the family, friends and colleagues of Police Corporal Delwyn Jackson, who was one of 2 men shot dead by unknown assailants in Big Lane, Central Village, St. Catherine on Wednesday the 18th of August. Corporal Jackson was assigned to the Glengough Police Station in the St. Catherine North Division. Reports are that about 7:15 a.m., residents heard explosions and summoned the police. On the arrival of the police, Corporal Jackson was seen lying on the roadway with multiple gunshot wounds. He was pronounced dead at hospital. The police said a grey Nissan Tiida motorcar with the engine running was also found at the scene. The area was canvassed, and while processing the scene, the body of 42-year-old Kenroy Chandler, a taxi operator of West Prospect District, Bagwalk, St. Catherine, was found in bushes with gunshot wounds, the police said. It is believed that Corporal Jackson was in the area on personal business, allegedly to purchase a Mark X motor vehicle when he was shot.
Mark Knight, big man, me know what you say, so we will lift up on thing, but you may tell us, my youth. Jackson give me life, sir. I see Jackson terrorism in my youth. I'm telling Master Jackson, he might have to show me Mark X when he say buy a Central Village dog. So Jackson, if you buy a car from Central Village, make your boy go meet your station. Either Spanish Town or Central Village. Big man, Jackson was alive yesterday, easily in a storm, Jackson left Riversdale in a storm about 3 o'clock, and gone by a car in a rain, dog. Call a taxi man from West Prospect, he man dead too, sir. Some of you, he man have his family. And Jackson couldn't wait until they go buy a car.
Meanwhile, detectives assigned to the Major Investigations Division MID are now probing the double killing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!